First of all, this file is very important for fixing the problem of not installing BIPs. For installing BIPs, you have to upload this wh1 file to your Kaggle environment. So we go to Kaggle here, and here search for wh1, and then select this public, set private, and then create model. Here, okay, back to notebook. Yes, can test now if the problem is working, is still found or not. Minus u. So take it again. Maybe there's some problem here. So now it's installed, it's working now, good, because there was here a space, we deleted this space, and now it's working good. Okay, thanks for watching the video. We solved the problem. If you like the video, press like and share the video with others.